Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let b be a non zero real number. Suppose f defined from R to R is a differentiable function such that f of 0 is 1. This is important information. If derivative f dash of f satisfies this, so this holds true. So can I write f dash x as dy by dx, and this is f of x, so can I replace it with y by b square plus x square? Is that okay? Now the point is we have to solve this differential equation first, and then we have to respond to options. So first what I will think of variable separable method, because that is the first filter that you have to apply to every questions. So the first filter is variable separable, means we will keep y thing one side, x thing one side, and dx dy on the numerator. So can I send this dx that side? So we will be having dy by y is equal to dx by b square plus x square. Okay, now we have to do integration both side. So look at this, if you will be integrating things, you will be having log y is equal to, look at this, it is dx by a square plus x square, so we are comfortable, and it is without root, so we will have 1 by a or 1 by 2a. If we are comfortable, we will be writing 1 by a. If we are not comfortable, we will be writing 1 by 2a. So in this case we are comfortable, we will be writing 1 by a. Okay, and then we are comfortable with tan, so it is tan inverse x by a. So here a is b. Okay, plus integration constant c. So this is our function. You have to calculate value of integration constant c. Now how we will find integration constant? So for that they have given this point. So our curve will pass 0 comma 1, so you have to replace x with 0, y with 1. So if you write y as 1, log 1 will become 0, so this thing is 0. If you replace x with 0, tan inverse 0 is 0, and it will make everything else 0. Correct? So don't you think that you will be left with 0 is equal to 0 plus c. So our value of, like, our function will become what? Log y is equal to this. Correct? Now look at this. So to remove this log, to find out the proper function f of x, so can I write, sir, f of x will be equal to e power 1 by b, and then tan inverse x by b, just tell me. So this is our final function. Is that okay? Now we are good to go with the options. So if you'll observe, your f of x is an exponential function whose base is e. So if base is e, we know that exponential function will become increasing function if base is greater than 1. So look at this. So they are saying that b greater than 0. It doesn't depend upon b. Okay, so b can be 0, less than 0, or b cannot be 0, but it, whatever it may be, less than 0 or greater than 0, it depends upon base whether it is increasing or decreasing. So given function is increasing in option 1. Option 1 is correct. Option B, they are saying it is decreasing. No, it is not, because it is exponential function and the base is e, means 2.71, and you know that if base is greater than 1, it is increasing function. If base is smaller than 1, it is decreasing function. So that option B is wrong. Now look at this, you know f of x, you have to find f of minus x. So look at this, if you will find f of minus x, we will be replacing x with minus x. Wait, I'll remove this. So we have f of minus x is equal to e power 1 by b. Don't you think you have tan inverse minus of x by b? So tan inverse function is an odd function, so that minus will come over here. Okay, so this is your f of minus x. And look at this, if you will multiply, suppose that in first function f of x, suppose that we have same thing, no? So can I imagine e power x in place of whole thing? I am imagining x. It can be anything. For time being, I am imagining x. So for first part you have e power x. For second part you are having e power minus x. So don't you think if you multiply both of them, base same, power will be added, so x minus x will become 0, so e power 0 will become 1. This means option C is correct. And clearly you can see that if you will add, if you will subtract both of them are not equal. According to this, they are saying that f of x is equal to f of minus x. No, it is not. Both are different. Okay, it is not like according to this is even function, but it is odd function. Okay, so this option is wrong. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.